Tesla rolls out FSD ride-alongs in the Netherlands. Tesla Europe has announced that its Future Holidays campaign will feature full self-driving supervised ride-along experiences in the Netherlands. The festive event series comes amid Tesla's ongoing push for regulatory approval of FSD across Europe. The holiday program was announced by Tesla Europe Middle East in a post on X, "Come get in the spirit with us," featuring karaoke, FSD supervised ride-along experiences, holiday light shows with our S3XY lineup more. The company wrote in its post on X, per the program's official website, fun activities will include karaoke sessions and light shows with the S3XY vehicle lineup. It appears that Optimus will also be making an appearance at the events. Tesla even noted that the humanoid robot will be in full party spirit, so things might indeed be quite fun. Come get in the spirit with us, featuring karaoke, FSD supervised ride-along experiences, holiday light shows with our S3XY lineup more. This season, we're introducing you to the fun of the future. Register for our holiday events to meet our robots, see if you can spot the bot to win prizes, and check out our selection of exclusive merchandise and limited edition gifts. Discover Tesla activities near you and discover what makes the future so festive, Tesla wrote on its official website. This announcement aligns with Tesla's accelerating FSD efforts in Europe, where supervised ride-alongs could help demonstrate the tech to regulators and customers. The Netherlands, with its urban traffic and progressive EV policies, could serve as an ideal and valuable testing ground for FSD. Tesla is currently hard at work pushing for the rollout of FSD to several European countries. Tesla has received approval to operate 19 FSD test vehicles on Spain's roads, though this number could increase as the program develops. As per the Dirección General de Tráfico DGT, Tesla would be able to operate its FSD fleet on any national route across Spain. Recent job openings also hint at Tesla starting FSD tests in Austria. Apart from this, the company is also holding FSD demonstrations in Germany, France, and Italy. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.